How to freeze rows and columns in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with how to delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Excel. I have this file with all the data. Simply click on the numbers on the left side. Simply click on CTRL on your keyboard and select rows and columns you want to freeze. After you have done that, you can leave CTRL. After that, at the top, click on View. After you have clicked on View, at the top here you'll find Freeze Panes. Click on Freeze Panes. Now click on Freeze Panes again, as there is 3 options. After you have clicked on Freeze Panes, you're good to go. As you can see, my rows and columns that I selected are frozen. And this is how to freeze rows and columns in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.